Hey guys, it's Pamela here. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this amazing protein treatment for extreme hair growth. Before we dive into the video, welcome back. If you're an OD, welcome. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if it's your first time here, please welcome and hit that subscribe button. I'm starting off with a ripe avocado, and the riper your avocado is, the better, because you end up with a smoother consistency. So avocado is really good for hair growth, guys, because the study in 2015 found out the minerals in avocado, including potassium, magnesium, may seal cuticle cells, which can help hair look smooth and shiny, and it prevents it from breaking. And also don't forget to eat your avocado, since it is also a great source of biotin, and adding this B complex vitamin back into your diet may help your hair grow more healthily. Avocado also contains monounsaturated fat, a healthy fat. Incorporating fatty acids into your diet to encourage hair growth, prevent hair loss and breakage, and reduce scalp inflammation. I will then add an egg. Yolks are rich in biotin, a mineral which supports hair growth and can help in stopping hair fall. They are also rich in vitamin A, D, E, and K. The egg white contains protein, selenium, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus, which are all essential for good hair. I'm also adding 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin oil, it is an ideal natural balm for hair. Olive oil can have major moisturizing effect. It also adds softness and strengthens hair by penetrating the hair shaft and preserving moisture. It also smooths the hair. Also adding 2 tablespoons of Amla oil. For ages, the women of India have used the oil of the Amla berry on their hair to help strengthen it as well as leave it long and lustrous. The secret oil also enhances shine, reduces frizz, and moisturizes the hair. The last ingredient is honey. Honey has both emollient and humectant properties, making it a great hair moisturizer. Emollients smooth the hair follicles, adding shine to dull hair. Humectants bond with water molecules, adding moisture to dry strands. After adding all my ingredients, I make sure that I mix everything well, and everything is well incorporated. So on this part, I'm going to show you how I apply this protein treatment on my hair. I'm starting off by spritzing my hair with water in order for it to be manageable. And also I'm finger detangling my hair like so with my hands before adding my deep conditional treatment mask. Look at my curls, guys. You can see that my curls are popping. Look at those curls. And also I'm making sure that every strand of my hair is covered. And I'm also adding this to my scalp, since my hair grows from the scalp to the roots. So making sure that every strand is coated. After I'm done applying my deep conditioning mask, I then twist my hair and move on to the next section. Here is a close-up of what I was doing.